Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, I'm showing you two consoles here, different designs going to different places, and both are customized as per client's requirement. We'll talk about this one first. This is in walnut with golden highlighting. This one is going to Bangalore. The size is customized by the client, and this is 33 inches outer from the back because the front part is a little narrow. So this is the design. And front to back, this is 20 inches. Height is 33 inches. This is the dimension client has given, and we have made that dimension for the client. It's in walnut color, darker color, and with golden highlighting. This golden highlighting is again as per client's requirement. Whatever the areas they feel should be highlighted, we do that. And if you want more or less, that can be done according to your requirement. This unit can be used along with a mirror frame where it serves as a dressing table or simple as a console. Consoles are a very good concept because they work as a lobby furniture to keep some artifacts or some designer items. They work as a standalone unit to keep some vases near the sofa or in the living area or also in the bedroom. So multiple uses. It has got a lot of uses depending on your requirement. In defense also, a lot of people use these kind of stuff and they keep their stand of caps and the insignia that particular regiment have, the shield and other designs. They keep on these kind of tables. The other one that you see here is a 4 feet unit, 4 feet out and out. Again, is 20 inches and the height is 36, 3 feet. Again, as per the requirement of the client, the size he wanted. This one is going to Mumbai and this is in teak matte finish. This is also called a D table because the design on the top looks like a D. So it's also called a D table with 3 legs. The basic concept of a teapoy actually is tipaya in Hindi and tipaya turned to teapoy in English. Tipaya means 3 legs, one, two, three. So this is the actual concept of a teapoy, but this is a D table or a console table that can be used for again any purpose like the vases or the designer items, or you want to keep a glass over it to make it a dressing, that can also be done. So teak matte finish and high gloss walnut finish with gold highlighting. Both designs, different colors, different places, both customized to client's requirement, finalized by the client, and now they are going to their respective places. The variety of items I have been showing you in different designs and the kind of customization and personalization we are doing for everybody is quite visible here. Simple design can be customized as per the space you have and where you want to keep it. All work is handicraft. We don't use CNC machines, no big computers. This is all handmade, hand designed, and the curves, the design, the work is all quite visible here. The quality of arson, and thanks to all the clients who are giving us orders and the appreciation we are getting. We are really thankful to our clients about that. Hope you like the work. If you have some requirement for something like this, let us know. We'll make that for you. Thank you so much.